My name is John Walsh. I'm with the Logic Group. We've developed the Jumbo Tracer where you can connect several digitizing tablets together and then use them to digitize, trace very large templates. For example, here I have 3 boards hooked up. I can do a 5-foot by 12-foot template, and I can digitize. So the question is, how does it work? How do we get the accuracy of the boards? Okay, the digitizing tablets are electronic boards that send XY points to the digitizer. We've added these blue plexiglass sheets. What they do is they make it that the level across the boards is exactly the same height. So when I put a template down, it's exactly the same height. When we connect the boards together, I've got a big tube down there that's connecting these 2 boards, and then we also connect them with this brace here that goes across there. And then if you look on here, this box here, we've got serial cables that connect all the boards together, goes into the box, and then I have a USB cable that goes into the computer. So everything can be run at the same time. I have a cordless pin. The cordless pin can go from board to board to board, and I just digitize along. However, we also want to make sure we've got very high accuracy. We want to make sure that the software knows where this board is relative to that board. We want to know where that board is relative to that board. And the boards might be a little bit, 1/8 of an inch up or down. They might be slightly apart. So what we've got here is a calibration sheet. The calibration sheet goes on top of the digitizing tablet, and then we use that to calibrate the boards together. So I'm going to come in here, and in the software, I come up to setup. This is the Jumbo Trace software. I tell it to configure and calibrate. I first tell it how I have the boards configured. I've got all the boards turned sideways. There's 3 of them, so it's number 4. I click next. And then what I do is I come in here, it tells me we just set up the boards. But what I come in here is I want to calibrate these 2 boards. So I come in here, click calibrate, and I have on the calibration sheet some bullseyes here. So you can see the 3rd one right here. I want to digitize that point. So I digitize 2 on this board, click that point there, that point there, that point there, and that point there. And the software uses those 4 points to calibrate the board. So it now knows exactly where those boards are. It tells me everything worked just fine. Come in here to that 3rd board, and I'm going to calibrate it also. I move my calibration sheet over here, and I come in and I digitize this point here. I digitize that point there, that point there, and that point there. And now it is exactly set up where it's calibrated between the different boards. So I now can come in here, it's ready to digitize. I just click digitize, and I'm going to do lines and arcs. Let me just do a little bit of a square here. I'm going to do 2 points over here, 2 points over there, and it will show you how it is all set up. 2 points there. Come over to the other end here. Digitize these 2 points here. I'm just doing a rectangle. And then you can see here that it's all set up. I'm going to click done, connect to the first less. So you can see it's all set up. I'm now very quickly digitizing an object that is almost 11 feet wide. So that's how we calibrate and how we make sure we have accuracy across the boards. If you have any questions about the Jumbo Tracer, please give me a call.